Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this little guide to show you how some of my seasonal cluster stamps will all work together. Now, before we go any further, I want to tell you this sample that we're going to look at, we'll be going to Create and Craft for you to see on the TV. But I wanted to film this before it goes so that it gives you an idea, and this will always be on the website, so that you can sort of see how they work together and different layers and different ways you can use them. We're going to be using the Happy New Year cluster stamp from my range. Now there's 12 in the range, but I've picked this one. It is a favourite. They're all favourites, but it is a favourite for the way that it stamps and layers together. So as we've seen in the little video where I go through all the sets, and I show you all the different elements, we have the full sentiment with the cluster, we have a background cluster, we have a frame cluster and a border cluster, and then we've got two individual extra clusters with the balloons on to be able to build backgrounds and things like that. So what happens is, when you stamp them, it will look like this. So these are the elements that you can see on the packet. So we've got the sentiment, the background, the frame, the border, and then the two extra elements. So then we can start layering them up. We can use the border with the frame to give you a layered look. We can use the frame with the border and the sentiment to give you a layered look. You can see those together. Then we can branch out further and we can start using the background stamp to build up on the base of your card or your scrapbooking page, whatever you're using, with the frame and the sentiment. And then we can build up to virtually an entire card. So we can use the borders in the background, we can use the background stamp, then we're using the frame and the sentiment. You can add the border stamp again in between the layers, and you can see how they layer up together. Now there's so many different ways you can use these, either straightforward stamping or layer them together to get unique looks. Very versatile and ideal for not only card making, scrapbooking, but so much so for journaling, and they just look great. Experiment with them, use them with your different mediums, use them with your inks, use them with your embossing powders, all your mixed media techniques. See how far you can push the actual set. If you're a beginner, they're going to work great for you. If you're advanced, they're just going to give you the sky's the limit for different things that you can do. So I just wanted to kind of show you one of the displays that was going down to Create and Craft to give you an idea of how all the elements will work together. Some of the actual border stamps will work downwards as well as across, so keep your eyes out for those. And there's 12 in this set, taking you through the year. So carry on watching the next technique, because that's going to be more for beginners, because I'm going to show you how to use the stamp, so how to rubber stamp. And then we'll go on and we'll do, you know, things to take you through being a beginner to more advanced. And as we go, we'll just build up lots and lots of videos. So please check my website and my blog, because I shall put everything on there as well. The links will all be below and on Facebook and over social media. So check it all out, and I just hope you'll love the range as much as I do. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.